everyone, I'm Zoe. Welcome to that CNC machine. Today I want to introduce our TX800-8DIY. The key advantage of our machine is exceptional rigidity. The spindle housing is reinforced, ensuring smooth vibration-free cutting and significantly extending to your life. The machine body is manufactured using resin and casting technology. Cast as a single piece and then undergoes two aging treatment. In short, this means that the internal stresses in the machine body are fully released. Even after 10 years of use, it will remain in its original state. It won't gradually lose its structural integrity or become unstable over time. Every machine will be tested before leaving the factory. We don't rely on random sampling. We test each machine individually. We never leave the delivery of high-quality machine to chance. Good or not, just one cut.